Okay. Hi everybody, I'm Lindsey here at Rogue Wave Coffee, and today I'm super excited to be brewing for you our June Roasters Club subscription coffee, which is Ethiopia Tariku Bombe. It's a lovely wash coffee comprised of many different varietals grown between 2,000 and 2,200 meters above sea level. It comes from Bombe Washing Station, which is in the Southern Nations, Nationalities and Peoples region of Ethiopia. For today's brew, I'm going to be using gear you can find in our shop, some of which is newer, which is super exciting. I've got the OREA 01 steel brewer in obsidian black, the tulip folding tool, which we will use with the Neo Negotiator and our flat filter paper. And then we have here the OREA sensory carafe, 450 ml. It is a pretty nice looking carafe, if I do say so myself. It's got a generous opening at the top here, so you can use it with all OREA brewers, and it's also very forgiving with other brewers. So you will find that many other brewers will be compatible with this carafe. And then we will also be using our Cafeta Kona scale, K Ultra hand grinder. All right, for today's recipe, I'm going to be using a recipe that comes from the OREA website called The Pulse. It uses 16 grams of coffee, 260 mils of water at about 94 degrees Celsius. So for today's brewing water, I've used distilled water with some drops of Aquacode. This is our new dropper bottle. It's 15 mils, which is about 400 drops. So for 500 mils of water, you can use 3 to 5 drops. For a liter, you can use 6 to 10 drops. What's great about Aquacode, it's a natural mineral concentrate that's designed to optimize your brewing water, helps to improve extractions, and gives you a more balanced cup. Okay, the water's good. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and weigh out 16 grams of coffee. And for our grind today, I'm using our Easy Presso K Ultra grinder at 8.5. Excellent. Okay, next I'm going to prep the filter paper. So I'm taking a OREA flat filter paper 155 size, placing it in the center as best I can of the tulip folding tool. Then I'm taking my Neo Negotiator. I'm just going to press down on it. It's started to create some folds in the paper. From here, we then bend and fold the filter just around the tulip. Cool, and then once that's done, you can remove the tulip, set it aside, and then with the Neo Negotiator still on the filter paper, you insert the paper and the negotiator into the 01 brewer. Here you can see the Neo Negotiator in the brewer, filter paper there, and then really quick sneaky peek, you can see how the paper has been folded into the brewer. The great thing about the Neo Negotiator is that there's holes in it, so when you're pouring your water to wet the filter paper, it helps to mold the paper to the walls of the dripper, of the brewer, I should say. Okay, dripper, brewer, tomato, tomato, tomato. Okay, what I'm gonna do next here is take my water and I'm going to just wet the filter paper. I may even just move the negotiator a little bit just to encourage the filter paper to form to the wall. Again, here you can see this is, here's how the filter paper has formed to the walls of the brewer. So as I was saying before, we're using a recipe from OREA's website called The Pulse, which uses 16 grams of coffee, 260 mils of water at 94 degrees Celsius. This recipe uses 5 pours, the first of which is our bloom. So I'm going to start our bloom pouring 60 grams of water for about 40 seconds. So 110. So pouring to 110 grams to about 1 minute and 10 seconds. So what's really great about OREA's, I don't know if you hear my cat there. Ruthie, I'm filming. Which, Ruthie, please, I'm trying to focus. I'll show her in a minute. Okay. So what's really great about OREA's drippers is that they are a mix of no and low bypass. This specific brewer, the 01, is low bypass, which means that very minimal water gets around the coffee. It largely goes through the coffee bed, so every drop of water is doing some pretty valuable, important work, useful work. Okay, now I'm going to do my, which number is this? I can count. 210 to 210 grams there. That was my 4th pour. Very soon we'll be on to our 5th and final pour. All right, let's go, home stretch. So yeah, so in traditional brewers, there are small gaps between the filter paper and the brewer. So that leaves room for water to sneak around, which can lead to under-extracted brews. So that's what OREA was looking to solve with their low and no bypass brewers. And we're about done here. Awesome. This is smelling pretty fruity and citrusy, and let's take a taste. I'll be serving the coffee in one of our MK Studio collab porcelain cups. MK Studio is our friend based out of Denmark, and they've made these beautiful porcelain cups for us. This is the S style. Comes in this Rogue Wave color mix, matte pink and color spot. Oh, wow. To me, this feels very bright. Yeah, like bright, fruity, very perfect for the springtime. For those of you who have the joy of living in Edmonton, it snowed for quite a while this spring, and just recently in the last couple of weeks, it's starting to get really nice out, warm, maybe not today so much, but generally warm, leaves on the trees. And so I think this is a really great coffee to pair with that, or anytime really, but when it's been a long winter, it's kind of nice to have something bright and warm and fruity to give you some hope. Definitely tasting some citrus, blueberry, bit of mango in there, kind of tea-like. It has a tea-like feel on the tongue, which is really nice. I would definitely sip this on like a chilly patio in the morning. Really awesome to wake up with. I'm just so delighted. This is so nice. The only thing that would make this better is having someone here to share it with. Maybe I don't want someone to share it with. Maybe I just want this all to myself. This is very light, very sweet, citrusy. I get notes of like lemonade, blueberry, mango, some jasmine with that tea-like feel on the tongue. What else can I tell you? I'm not newer to pour over, but I am newer to getting in the weeds with all this fun gear and playing with water and all that good stuff. And I must say, I typically brew with like tap water at home. I know. The coffee still tastes good, but maybe I just didn't know it could be so much better. But it definitely tastes amazing today. On our website, you can find an OREA complete guide to help you figure out which brewer, negotiator, even tulip is right for your brewing needs. Something that's good to know is that the Neo Negotiator and the tulip folding tool can also be used with the 185 flat papers, so the larger papers, and then you can use that in an OREA V4 narrow brewer as well. So let's get Ruth. Come here, my love. You're like, what do you mean? Look, this is what's going on today. This is what's happening. Hi, Ruth. Everyone say hi, Ruth. Mwah. Happy brewing. Bye.